Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here. Taylor, TradingAnalyst.com. What we're going to do today in this video is go over some trades that we've recently taken, and I'm going to show you exactly how we were able to make these kinds of trades. I'm going to go over the strategy. I'm going to show you the chart, when we took the trade, when we sold the trade, and the idea here is for you to learn and grow and get better as a trader by seeing something that actually works. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is the Trading Analyst Portfolio Tracker. This is something that you'll get access to excuse me, when you join the premium membership. Every single trade that we take is uploaded here to the Portfolio Tracker in real time. We also have our open swing trades listed on a different sheet that I only show to members. So here are the trades that we've taken. You can clearly see we've been on a tear recently. A lot of winners. We have 16 winners for November and December that I'm showing you right here, and only 4 losers. And you can see the 4 losers right here, very small in comparison to the winners. I mean, this one loser right here was basically a break-even trade and only a 2% loss. But as you can see, the wins here, 65%. 111, 55, 55%, 71%, 44%, 52%. So you get the idea. Our wins, not only are we winning more often than we're losing, but we're also, the gains on the wins are a lot more significant than the losses on the losers. So that's how you become consistently profitable. Very, very simple. Okay, so I'm going to start off here with the win trade that we took here. If you want explanations for these other trades here, look on my, it was the video prior to this one on the channel or on the blog post. You'll be able to see the explanation for all these trades. So win is the first one we're going to cover here, and I'll show you the chart right here. I'll move my face out of the way a little bit. So here we have the setup. So the setup was a false breakdown setup, okay? So what is a false breakdown? False breakdown, I'm sorry, I misspoke. A false breakout, okay? A lot of people throw out the term, false move, false breakout, and they might be talking about something different, okay? A lot of people just throw out the term false or fake move just because they feel like it or they disagree with it. But that's not what I'm doing here, okay? I have a system and a strategy here based off of rules. If X does something, I do Y, and then I do Z, okay? So it's very systematic. So what you have to have here for a false breakout is a clear level of resistance, okay? You can see there was previous support. You can see all those days grinding up against it, broke it right there, okay? Then we came up here and tested it as resistance. You can see a couple days there, a couple days here, boom, and then we gapped over it right here, and then we gapped under it right here on this day. So that was the signal day. That was the day that we entered right here on those puts, was on that retracement lower back under the support, okay? We ended up selling partial profits right about here at 102, and then we sold again here near these lows at about $95, okay? So the first target was here based off of this support. Next target was sold right here against this support. It's a good thing we sold right there because it looks like it's reversing today. So that was the trade here for win. Let me move my face out of the way a little bit again. So we bought them at $5.25. We sold the contracts at $7, making for a 33% win. Okay, and these trades are all alerted in real time via text message to every single one of my members. So if you join today, you're going to get access to all of the trades. We had a lot of trades that we initiated today. And if you join, you're going to get access to those. Okay, so next one is the PG puts. All right, PG puts. And here's the setup. Let's see here. So I want to go back just a little bit. Okay, so you can see here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit eventually, but I just want to show you this. Okay, so this resistance goes back, I'm going back 5 years on Procter & Gamble. You can see right here, we have this resistance there, right there, and you can see it was right here, and then we broke over it recently, and I'll zoom in again. Okay, so we broke over it recently. Here's that resistance, boom, boom, boom. Broke over it here with strength, okay, with strength, and confirmed it the second day right there, and then boom, waterfalled underneath it right there, okay. That was the signal day. That was the day that we entered into puts, because again, it's a false breakout setup. And I should note here, guys, that if the market was raging here bullish, I would not take this setup. I would not take this setup. The market has to be in agreement with you. Okay, I'm not going to short a trade in a raging bull market. That even if this is a setup here, a lot of these false breakout setups fail in bull markets. Okay, but what works? False breakdowns. Okay, so you got to be trading with the market. So I don't take any of these trades if it's in disagreement with the market. I have to have the setup on the individual stock. So in this example, Procter & Gamble, I got that, as well as the market was very bearish at the time of this trade. So I have the market agreeing with me as well, and that's why I felt comfortable shorting a stock that was near all-time highs. Okay, so just getting that out of the way. So we entered in the trade right here. We took partial profits right here against that low, right there and right there, and then we ended up taking the next profits near the lows of the day on Friday right here. And you can see, good thing we took profits, because today there was a big reversal. All right, so here's the trade. Procter & Gamble bought the contracts at 590, those puts. Again, these are all in real-time alerts given to our members. If you join, you're going to get access to trades just like this. Okay, so we bought the contracts at 590, sold them at 803. That's a 36% gain. That was a very nice trade. The next one here, and this one, a little bit of a explanation for this one. You can see it says right here, 3 times the normal size position. Okay, and I alerted that to the members, to our members in real time, and I explained exactly why we were entering at 3 times the normal position size. So I'm going to go over this trade for you on ADBE. Okay, I'm going to move my face out of the way a little bit. Okay, so here is the setup, and this is a very, very powerful setup. Okay, guys? So the setup here was a double false move. Okay, so remember on PG and WIN, we're just looking at a single false move. Okay, but right here we have ADBE. So what is a double false move? Okay, double false move is right here we have this clear level of support. Okay, very clear. Look at how many times it's hitting. Okay, so many times. All right, we break that support here, break right back over it, making this a false breakdown. Okay, that was not the trade. I'm just kind of explaining the first move. So that's a single false move. Okay, then right here on this day right here, we have a big gap down. All right, and we broke back under that level, making this a double false move. Okay, and this was in reaction to earnings. All right, so this is why we tripled our size on this position, and that's because we have a double false move and we have it on an earnings reaction. Okay, earnings typically move stocks. Okay, they're a big time indicator of the movement of a stock, and when you get a big move down and a gap down on one of the heaviest volume days we've seen ever on this stock, it's a very, very high probability trade that it is going to head lower, okay? So we took the short position via puts. We bought put options right here, all right? We sold partial position at 215, sold another batch here at these lows at about 209, all right? And then today, so we sold a third of the position here, a third of the position down here, and then we sold a third of the position today on the trailing stop. Okay, so that was a very nice winner for us. Again, 3 times the normal size. Why is it 3 times the normal size? Because we have the market trading with us, we have the stock trading with us, and we have it as an earnings reaction. The earnings reaction is what makes it 3 times the normal size. Okay, when you have all those things lining up, it's a very, very high likelihood that the trade is going to work out in your favor, and that's why you size up the position. When you have extra confidence, that's when you size up the position. Okay, so ADB puts, we bought them at 840, and we sold them for an average price. Again, all of these trades here, excuse me, we're taking in multiple lots. So we're selling partial profits here, there. So this is an average price. So again, we sold a lot of contracts at $19, I believe, but the average price here was $12.75, making it for an average gain of 52%. Again, 3x normal position size, so that position size gain is much larger than the other one. So Facebook puts. Let's see the setup here. This was a normal position size trade. So Facebook puts. Okay, so first and foremost, Facebook has been in a downtrend for several months. Okay, so most of the time, most of the trades that I'm taking, of course, that Procter & Gamble one was a stock that was near new all-time highs, but most of the trades here we take are within the trend of the particular stock. So Facebook trending down. This is the setup. Okay, so this was one that I prepared members for ahead of time, so they knew the alert was coming. So first and foremost, I want to point out the, let's see, this false breakout. All right, so here's where it is. Okay, so here's that level. You can see clearly a support, boom, 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 and then it turns into resistance right there. Right there, we break over that resistance right here for a few days, or about 5-6 days, and then boom, break right back under it right here. Okay, we got short, or we got put options right here at about 138. Okay, at about 138 during the middle of the day, and we took that position right there. We ended up selling. Let's see, when did we sell? Oh yeah, we sold partial profits here at this low. Okay, we took partial profits at this low. We sold half at that low. Okay, we sold half of that position at this low right here. Okay, I did think it was going to go lower, but again, that's why you take partial profits. And we took our profits there, and then we ended up selling the last part of that position today on the trailing stop. Okay, so I'll show you that right here. We bought the contracts at 6. We sold them at 720 for a gain of 20% right here, and this was alerted to all of our paying clients in real time via text message. These are all trades that I'm taking myself. Okay, so this is real money trading that I'm doing here. When I enter a trade, I'm sending you out an alert. As soon as I take that trade, I'm sending you out an alert. And I'm also preparing you guys ahead of time with video analysis. We cover our watch list via video, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm looking for to prepare you ahead of time for these trades. And every single trade comes with a video explanation, so you know exactly why the trade is being placed, why we're putting the target where it is, why we're putting the stop loss where it is, and the strategy behind the trade. So we're not just throwing you out alerts, we're teaching you exactly what's working so that you can become a better trader on your own as well. Okay. The next one was AVGO puts right here, and I'll show you that trade right here. So AVGO, let me move my face out of the way. So AVGO, I'm going to back it up. Let's see, about 2 years. Okay, so AVGO. So first and foremost, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, but I just want to show you this first. So first and foremost, we have been making lower highs. Okay, so there's a high, lower high, lower high, lower high right here. Okay, so that's the first kind of thing that we're looking at. All right. The next thing too is we have this little channel right there. There's the top of the channel, and then here's the bottom of the channel. Okay, so we could be in a little bear flag, bear channel. Okay, so we're trending up right here, only to get rejected, looking for a trend lower. Okay, so that was the beginning of that setup. All right, so looking here, if you zoom in a little bit, okay, here we go. So right here is a false breakout setup. So right here, we have this resistance there, 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 and we broke over it right here. Okay, we broke over it, making this a breakout. Okay, making this a breakout. Okay, then what did we do? We broke right back under it right here, and we got short at about 240, at about 248, 247 is when we took those puts right there, and we ended up selling at our first target of 235. We sold half of the position at 235. So why 235? Well, there's a ton of support right here from all this sideways trading. Okay, all that sideways trading. It's also where this trend line is as well. You see that right there? So that's why we took partial profits there, near the lows of this dump day. Okay, we don't get greedy. We take profits quickly, and if it heads lower, then we take more profits, and it ends up being more of a winner. And we never let our winning trades turn into a losing trade. Okay, so we ended up selling partial profits again. So sorry, partial profits. Half of the position was sold near the lows of that day, right there, and then we ended up selling the last half today at the trailing stop once it breached yesterday's high, making it for an average sell of 1670. Bought them at 1410, sold the last contracts for an average price of 1670 for an average gain of 18.44%. Okay. Again, this trade, just like all the others, we're alerted in real time via text message. As soon as I place the trade, you're getting a notification. All right, guys? So now I'd like to invite you to join our premium membership community here. If you want trades just like the ones that I showed you today, delivered directly to your mobile phone. It can also be sent to your email as well. Some people can't access their phone during the workday, but if you can, that works as well. So phone or email. It's totally up to you. You're going to be able to participate in these trades and make winning trades in any market environment. Okay, we know how to make money in up markets. We know how to make money in down markets. And we know how to make money in sideways, choppy markets. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out, and I really want you to join here. If you're on the website here, on the blog, all you have to do is scroll below this video, and you're going to see the special offer that we have on the annual membership. If you're on YouTube, visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com. TheTradingAnalyst right here, .com. All right? No spaces for the website. And all you got to do is go up here to the Join tab, and you're going to see the different membership options. And the annual membership is the most discounted that we've ever offered it right now. So again, you're going to get the easy to follow trade alerts. Again, you've seen the winning trades. You get the real-time portfolio tracker. This is something that separates us from most of the services out there. A lot of services like to hide their trades under the rug. We don't. We put every trade in real time on this portfolio tracker, so it's complete 100% transparency, okay? Plain and simple, we make money in the market. I guarantee it, and I guarantee that you're going to have success when you join us as well. So you get that portfolio tracker. You're getting the watch list that we do via video. You're getting the exclusive member-only videos, okay? We discuss every single trade that we make in detail, so you know exactly what's going on. You know why we took the trade, you know why we put our levels where we put them. So you're not only going to be able to make money, but you're going to be able to learn a proven process from a trader who actually cares about your success, okay? Next thing you're getting is the bonus here for free. You're getting access to our full education library. If you're newer to options, we have tons of option education. So don't worry if you're new to options, you're going to be brought up to speed in no time. All right. We cover our strategy. We cover technical analysis. It's a really, really cool thing that you're going to get access to. So here is the deal. This is our lowest price that we've ever offered here for the annual membership. It's only $787 for the year. And that's it. Just click this button right here, and you're going to be taken to the 100% secure checkout page. Right here, all you got to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that you're going to be able to get the real-time alerts on. Choose a password. Then you just got to enter in your billing information, or you can do PayPal. Check out securely with PayPal. Totally up to you whether you want to use your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And that's it. Click that button as soon as you put in your info, and you're going to get instant access to these real-time trade alerts, the videos, the watch list, the educational material, and most importantly, you're going to get 24/7, almost 24/7 access to me. Personally, you can respond to me via text or email. I'm available to answer any questions that you might have. Once you become a member, you are part of our trading family. So I hope that you join us here, and I really look forward to helping you make consistent money in the market.